Hi folks, this is your MWIS Fleeting View for the week ahead in association with Petzl. Contrasting fortunes from north to south on Monday. We've got a generally fine day across the Highlands underneath a ridge of high pressure. Mostly bright skies and the mountains free of low cloud. Light winds as well. Just a stronger southwesterly breeze will affect more northwestern coastal areas. That could just draw in a few cloud banks around sky. Low risk of an isolated light shower. Temperatures will be near or below freezing point across the Munros, but without the wind, for most places that won't feel too bad. More in the way of high cloud the further south you go across Scotland, and fairly overcast skies for the southern uplands, and then extensive cloudy skies through England and Wales, blanketing the hills throughout the day, and some persistent and heavy rain in the picture, especially across West and North Wales, and some rain for northern England, which over the high tops in the North Pennines and the tops in the Lake District will fall as some snow at times. That may just fluctuate at times between wet snow and rain, and sometimes that snow could be more persistent over those higher Lakeland fells, as temperatures do just vary locally, and that could just encroach further into the southern uplands with time as well, with some snow even to quite moderate elevations to 400 or 500 metres perhaps as that front edges northwards. Some rather blustery winds around that frontal zone as well across northern England and Wales. Let's take the story onwards through the week, and we've got low pressure then just clearing away to the east on Tuesday. We've got the leftovers of that rain and hill snow in southeasternmost parts of Scotland, northern England for Tuesday morning. That will fade and improving conditions develop with some brighter skies and some sunshine coming through as pressure builds from the west. Southwesterly breeze across the Highlands will just start to strengthen, and that's nudging towards gale force in the northwest later on. And that drawing in some banks of cloud to western coastal areas, covering the hills, and some drizzly showers coming in, with some snow flurries up over the tops. Generally dry though, further inland and toward the Cairngorms, with some breaks in the cloud here during the day. Temperatures staying near or just below freezing point across the higher mountains. Heading onwards then into Tuesday night, those winds strengthen further and gales become severe gales, and a stormy picture across the higher mountains into Wednesday. Gales across most hills and mountains, even further south, lowest wind speeds for the south of Wales. Some persistent rain will be in, and that may just fall as a mix of rain and snow up over the Munros. Temperatures just a bit higher by the stage under that southwesterly airflow. But we will have a cold front coming back southwards again during Wednesday, so a temporary lift of freezing level will drop again quite sharply through Wednesday afternoon into the evening, dropping back to around 700 metres or perhaps lower for a time. So a mix of rain and snow through that story. For England and Wales, some drizzly rain will turn heavier, more likely in the afternoon and the evening as that front sinks southwards. Chillier conditions then left across Scotland through into Thursday. Even the highest tops in northern England could be back to freezing point heading into Thursday morning. Some showers of some snow and some hail in western Scotland early Thursday will tend to fade, a weak ridge of high pressure building again. Strongest winds over Scotland may still be near to gale force on the high tops, lower wind speeds further south. The next warm front would be coming in from the southwest during the day, so cloud filling in, rain and drizzle developing, preceded by snow, especially over inland mountains, before that freezing level tends to rise, again turning wetter with time. Staying rather windy later in the week, with areas of low pressure well to the north, high pressure to the south, keeping that sort of southwesterly airflow as the dominant trend. Friday may well be largely dry, albeit windy, with rather cloudy skies and some drizzly conditions, especially towards the northwest, brightest toward the south and the east. A bit of a mixture then through the week ahead. Stay up to date with all your forecasts on our website. That is your Fleeting View in association with Petzl.